The maned wolf. Quiet and shy, it's little known and seldom seen. Unlike any other wolf in the world, their diet is mostly vegetarian. And they particularly like lobelia fruit. This plant increases the fertility of the land and helps to sustain the entire Cerrado. The maned wolves, odd though it may seem, are in effect the gardeners of these unique plains. The dense grass in turn provides this female with a comfortable home and somewhere to hide her 3 puppies. Just 1 month old. She is so rare that she's been fitted with a radio collar so that scientists can study her continuously. And our remotely controlled den camera reveals a mother only comes here for a few hours a day to suckle her pups. She spends much of her time foraging to provide for her growing family. Now, alone in the den, her puppies are suddenly in danger. Not from other predators, but from fire. Their home is being burnt all around them. These fires can race through a mile of grassland in a matter of minutes. The Cerrado devastated. This particular fire didn't reach their den. But it's empty. This time, the family were lucky.